Why Vivek? Because one, Vivek I felt suited the character. I needed somebody very cocky, very mischievous, very smart, you know, in terms of smart in the wrong way. Uh, and when I spoke to Vivek, when we discussed, मुझे लगा कि ये निभा सकेंगे एंड मेरे हिसाब से वो निभाया भी. I am very happy with what Vivek brought to the table as an actor in home delivery. And secondly, I think even there are not people lining up outside my house to act with me. So the fact that Vivek agreed was also a big thing for me. But at the end of the day, Vivek is a star. He's a star who agreed to do a movie which is trying to be commercial. So it was very good of him, and because of Vivek, my movie got made. वो जो there was a certain star value.
Just a random question. अगर आपको इस वक्त में, if you have to recast home delivery, तो आप किसको लेना चाहेंगे?
I would not recast home delivery. I'll be very honest with you. I'm very happy with Vivek. I would change the format of home delivery a little. Yes, I would probably trim it down a little. I would probably, but I will not play with the treatment. But no, I would not. I'm extremely happy with all my actors in terms of Vivek, Baman, Aisha, especially Mahima. I thought she was very good. So I got what I wanted. So I'm not complaining too much here. But sadly I couldn't give what the audience wanted. But next time.
अगर बात करें स्टार्स की, तो in today's time, आज के टाइम में, how important is a star and how important is the content? What is more heavier? एक स्टार होना फिल्म में, बिग स्टार होना, या फिर अच्छा content?
I think it's more chicken and the egg, what you're saying. See, what the good thing now is, what I'm seeing with the new age, everybody demands a script, which is very good, So I think the content is very important. See, because let's say if you want a big star, let's say if you want the best, Shah Rukh Khan, Amitabh Bachchan, Sanjay Dutt, Salman Khan, अगर आपको बेस्ट चाहिए तो उसको भी बेस्ट चाहिए. It goes both ways. So you have to give them a good script for them to even look at it. And it's rightfully, they have worked very hard to get where they are. So that's what I believe. अगर आपको बेस्ट चाहिए, you have to give them the best. So if you go give them content which is good, you have stars. And if you have stars, it's much easy. It's a much more feasible project. You get a bigger budget. You get the risk level is lower. And I suppose that's what gives the producers the confidence. Okay, yes, we will invest money in the project.